It's like they're almost right there, but it's just so hard.
You know, I'm going to tell the truth about you. You are a bad man.
John, can you touch that rempod again? You don't want to talk to me, John?
Let me switch this.
Is something about coward?
You are a coward.
John, are you the only one in here with us right now? Yes, sir.
Nope.
There we go.
So there's more in here with us.
Yeah.
How many are in here? Wow.
Is there more than 5?
Yes, 5.
So there's more than 5. What else is
Piggy.
going on?
His the thermal or the temperature detector.
Big shot.
John, you think you're a big shot?
You're out.
Who's out? I hear thoughts of stuff going off, but I don't hear anybody talking or see anything moving.
John, are you that shadow?
Hey, John, can you make the temperature stop? Did you just say I'll kill you, Dick? It sounded like he said I'll kill you, Dick.
Yeah, that's...
John, I don't think that's very nice for our first meeting. I think that's kind of rude.
You tried to play crazy, didn't you, Johnny boy?
Someone said something. It was hard to understand. It was a man's voice.
Okay.
She turned you down. You didn't like that, did you?
Oh.
That's crazy. Come on.
Got a bunch of stuff going off in
All
here.
you're doing right now is making these go off. You've had enough of that?
Then
9.
if you've had enough of that, go back to the courthouse. Oh.
Is there a female here too?
Is somebody pushing on my chest?
Fire.
Huh. I felt like a sharp pain right here. Right in my chest. Right around the heart area.
Oh no.
Is that all you can do?
John, are you and Sam ganging up on everybody?
Sam, are you down here too?
Or away.
Say far away. Correct, yes. Well,
You hate us.
we don't know you. We can't hate you.
John, I dislike you very much. You weren't a very nice man in life.
Wow. If that's someone other than John touching that REM pod, can you back off of it?
Ethan, are you down here too, hon?
I wonder if something just touched him.
Say 4? I don't know. It's hard to say. No.
Ethan's not down here.
3 different voices.
Oh, wow. Okay, we know John and Sam are here. Who else is here with us?
Give us another name.
Can you guys back off that temperature?
Random male word saying something. It's hard to understand.
Who's messing with the temperature on there? Is that the REM pod again?
Can you touch the shooter marbles on the table instead of the temperatures? These shooter marbles, these balls on this table right here.
What?
Did that say something's next? Sounds like.
They want.
What do they want?
What do you want? Here goes the train.
Wow. Do you guys hear the train coming?
Go. Mine.
What's yours? We heard mine. Tell Ryan what's yours. Do you all hear the train coming? What?
They.
Who's they?
Alright.
Who's I? That's crazy almost with the responses
Yeah.
sometimes.
Were you brought here to the funeral home?
Are you attached to something in the building?
Do it again.
Yeah, that's what I heard, the deer.
You heard the deer?
Are you attached to the deer head? Because no one's on the damn deer head. I don't like that thing.
Can you tell it? Can you tell us, are you attached to the deer head?
Look here. You. Kids.
Did you say kids?
Ah. Ooh.
What about kids? What about the kids?
Come here.
Who? Who would you like to come here?
Who's in danger? We thought you said, I think I'm in danger. Who are you?
Me.
Does me have a name?
I.
Who's I? Who's me?
Come on.
Is your name
Right.
Theo?
Sound like something you quit. Do you hear that?
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Is it the train?
Here, what?
Are you asking if we can hear the train?
Catch it.
Catch the train?
That's us. Are there any children in here?
Did you touch?
Behind you.
Behind who?
Don't. Oh.
Who's behind us? Secret. Why is it a secret?
Can you not say their name?
Whoa. I just heard someone say something like, it was hard to understand, but it sounded like they were like right there.
Are you the one that's behind Ryan? Is that what you were telling us? Can you tell us your name?
Theo again.
You heard Theo again, yeah.
It's the second time for Theo.
Have you guys heard Theo here before?
No, tonight that's the second time because you asked a name before and it said Theo.
Theo, are you here?
I'm here.
Oh, shit.
Theo,
Clear. I'm here.
Theo, are you attached to something here? Was your body?
It's hard to understand what it was. It was just like, ah.
That might have been a kid. No. Theo, was your body brought here when it was a funeral home? Theo, are you still here with us? Theo, how old are you? I didn't understand that. Theo, did your body come in on the train?
I'm busy.
Are you busy, Theo?
No.
Does something in this room from the military belong to you, Theo?
Oh, it was a clear word, but it was hard to understand.
First day you wrote? I don't know if that's what it sounded like to me.
Did you die suddenly?
Theo, do you know you're dead?
This one.
Who's this one?
Who?
Are you in the back hallway?
I think that's a pretty good answer.
Are you in that side room in the back hallway with the trains?
I don't know if anybody heard it, but I thought I heard truth at the end. But I don't know what else. Did you say something about truth?
Do y'all hear that? What the fuck was that?
You hear that?
What the fuck was that? What?
That was a straight up deep breath.
What the fuck? Jacob, you heard that, right? Huh? You did hear it? Where was that fucking coming
It
from?
sounded like it was coming from here.
Fuck, I thought it was coming from over there.
Holy shit. Who just had that deep breath?
What the fuck is that?
You hear it?
Is somebody in here? Is somebody in here?
It's tonight.
What's tonight? So Jacob, did you hear that breath too?
Yeah, I did.
That was insane. I haven't gotten something like that before. That was cool. Can you do that deep breath again? So you guys have never heard anything like that in here before?
Is that correct?
There it is again.
Alright. Who is that? I don't know.
There's something going on.
Okay, who's messing with us?
We got a massive deep breath, and now we're getting more noises.
Who's messing with us?
Is there lights that come through a window over here? Who's here with us? See, this room right here where the refrigerator is, when I was sitting there, I saw a red and yellow light go across when I was sitting over there, but there's no window there.
No, there's no window. And see, the only thing I can think of is somebody being able to come across and talk, and it would be across this right here,
Did anything sound like what I was saying? I was just like zoned out.
Oh, dude, it was you on the box. Theo came through twice, and we asked about Theo,
Yeah.
and he kind of answered. We had all kinds of answers, man. I was recording you on my phone the whole time.
I was straight up in the zone doing that thing. Dude, it was the weirdest feeling doing that.
I want to do it.
Wait, what's that noise?
Is that the rempod again?
yeah, that's the REM pod.
Is the rempod going off?
Yeah, the rempod's been going off the whole time.
Did you hear it again? It sounded like somebody's talking, but it didn't come from that. But it sounded like somebody was talking.
Yeah. Because the first time we heard it, it went.
What was it? A voice?
It,
Almost 1 a.m. I don't think Dan would be up this late, like,
Look, the camera's not even making that. Like that. Look, I'm like, that's how close I gotta get
Yep.
the camera. Like that.
the temperature, at one point, the temperature was going off on that. And I said, if you're near that temperature, can you stop? And it pulled right off.
Are you serious?
Yep. Dude, I've got a whole bunch of stuff on my camera here. So I'm going to send that to you.
This is recording on my phone too.
Awesome.
About everything. Like, dude, I was just out of it in there, dude.
Yeah.
It seemed like I was in there for like 2 seconds.
Yeah, you were in there for 5 or 6 minutes.
yeah, it was
Can't
weird.
sleep.
Yeah.
What is it?
They said that breath we heard the first time, they've never heard that here before.
What
No.
breath was it? What did it say?
It was like,
Weird.
it was,
What was it?
that's how I kind of heard it.
From where?
I did it 3 times. I thought it was coming from over
Yep.
here.
And I said, I felt like it came from over here, so it was all around us. That is crazy.
Like when I had the headphones in, it sounded like there was a bunch of people talking, but I couldn't make out what they were saying. Like, you know, like if you're in a big crowd of people, like it's just one people talking.
But see, I thought it was, huh? Well, it's like, cause I thought somebody was in the building. That's
Yeah.
what I thought.
Mm-hmm.
Cause it went 3